What's poppin'? It's your girl Yoyo, and I'm back with another motherfucking video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my home screen on my iPhone for the new iOS 14 update. So I'm gonna basically show you what apps to get, how to customize your stuff. I'm gonna show you how I did it, blah 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 blah. I actually filmed this video last night. I'm sorry, I'm hungry. I filmed this video last night. And I just started getting so into it because I was gonna do kind of like me reacting to it and just doing it. It took a lot longer than I expected it to for me to get it the way that I wanted and to really like learn the widgets and learn how to go around it and stuff like that. And I stayed up to like 2 in the morning. Like, I was having so much fun with it. So I'm literally just gonna scratch that whole video and I was like, I'm gonna just re-record it and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Even though my shit is already done, but I'm gonna just walk y'all through the process.
Who let the dogs out? Shit at the dog pound. Ready to pop out. I'm finna clock out. Looking so handsome. Looking so wholesome. I'm like, damn, son.
If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you're feeling mixy. You can find me on Instagram at damnyoyo with 3 O's at the end. And you can shop from my online business, www.savagexlii.com, or you can find us on Instagram at savagexlii. And I just have so much, like, I have a brand new collection, a fall collection that I just dropped. I have cleansers, homemade cleansers. I have oils, toners, all that. So it's completely natural, completely organic, handmade, made with love. And I just have so much information about it on my Instagram and on the website itself. It's the new website, new prices, very affordable skincare for both men and women. So you guys should definitely check that out. Alright, so when you update your phone, you get, when you swipe right, you have a whole bunch of widgets and you can edit these widgets as well. You tap at the bottom and you can edit. If you want to take away a widget, you can add a widget. So here you can search for the little widgets that they have. You have clock, reminder, maps, notes, app suggestions, screen time, photos, music, calendar, widget, smart weather, and then these are even more widgets. And when you tap on a widget, you can make it 3 different sizes. That's how you add widgets on that side. Done. When I went into editing, I just put like customize, and then you can add these different widgets from like different apps that you have, so you can have it more handy over there. I usually don't even use this side of my phone like that because I feel like we had something similar before. Yeah, we had something similar, but it wasn't as nice looking. Now you have your main page. So the main thing to having an aesthetic layout with your iOS 14 is to get a nice background. So this is what mine looks like. I have 3 pages. This first one, the app is called Color Widgets. I'm gonna just search it up so y'all can see. So it looks like that, Color Widgets. And then so this is the one that I made, and then you have different options. So you have the little square, you have the long vertical one, and then you have the really big one. And then you could switch it up. There's like light, colored, dark. Like, you could really get jiggy with it, you feel me? And then there's different fonts. Boom, different fonts. Or you could do a background. So like, I could even do that Chanel one for my background. You could do any background that you want. And it's so fire, but it's something about that money that is doing it for me. I just love money. My last back screen was money. I just love money. I was looking for a wallpaper for like 2 days just because like the background really changes the aesthetic of it. It can make it look cleaner, it can make it look less clean. So the way that I look for my wallpaper, I just go on Pinterest and I just search up some type of aesthetic. So for example, this is called photo wall collages. I would just look for stuff that's like more simple. I would recommend clouds and stuff like that because it just gives it a vibe. Like, it's just very simplistic. What are you opening up? Oh, because that's the thinking about it. But something like this, very simplistic. It doesn't get too much in the way of what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? Those would be cute wallpaper stuff. Next page, I basically have a larger icon. So the way I did this was I added a widget, and then I went into photos and I did a small icon. So then it says appreciate special moments through memories and featured photos. So literally, the cute thing about this is that picture keeps changing every time. Like, I'm trying to figure out what the math is because I unlocked my phone, I locked it and unlocked it, and it was still the same picture. So I'm trying to figure out like what makes it change, but it literally be like different pictures on your thingy, and it's so interesting to me. So this is the way that I did mine. I basically did 3 like box widgets on my second page, and then I put apps on the side of it to have this nice little thingy going on. So the first app that I showed y'all was color widgets. It's this one right here. That's what it looks like. So it's literally just that one widget. I wish it was more stuff, but it's literally just for that one date widget. And then Widget Smith, this one up top, is the one that I use for everything else that I'm about to show y'all. So I'm about to, why do I gotta update it already? I just downloaded it yesterday. Okay, so in Widget Smart, so you have small widgets, you can edit the ones, then you have medium widgets, and then you have large widgets. The way you do it is you go in Smart, then you tap it. I don't know why it took me like 5-10 minutes to figure out how to use this app. But then they have stuff like time, and it has it in different formats. So it has time widgets, date widgets, custom ones. So you can have a custom picture that you want on your thingy. You can have photos and album, custom text, or something blank. And it could just be a color. Like, you could really get jiggy with this. Like, I just started playing around with this. You could really get jiggy with it. You have the battery icon, upcoming events, that's from your calendar, reminders, weather, but the weather one is like if you pay for it. Health and activity, it shows you your activity bar, your step count. If I had like a watch, I would do that. And then they have times, you gotta pay for it. And then astronomy is so fire. So that's why I did that custom text. It just motivates me because I just feel like I just need to do more all the time. We ain't lazy, Ricch. Boom. And then the next one, I have apps that I also use a lot, but not as much. And then at the bottom, this is another app. So this is the app that a lot of people use. If y'all seen the ones where they really customize the icons, you put your custom images, this is the app that you use. So it's already on your phone, I believe, or you might have to download it. I don't remember what I did, but it's kind of, I think it comes with your phone, and if you delete it, just re-download it. But basically, the way you do it is they have shortcuts already, and then you can make shortcuts for different apps. So you could do add action, scripting, open app, you click on choose, you pick whichever app that you want, then you're gonna click next. Then you're gonna pick a shortcut name, and then you're gonna say whatever, if you want to call it something different that's not Cash App. So let's say shmoney, and then you tap on it, and there's different like colors that you could use, but I'm about to, hold on. So if you go into shmoney, you press on the dots, open Cash App. So you press the three buttons again, you go to add to home screen, then down here next to shmoney, you pick choose file. It gives you some of your recent files, or you can go into I put file, I meant choose photo, and then you go into your photo, and then I'm just doing this one because it's Cash App, but whatever picture you want, shmoney, add, boom, it automatically puts it on your home screen. It's already, you know, part of it. So you could literally now place your app wherever. And then when you tap on it, it'll go real quick to the shortcuts thing, and then it'll take you to the app. So it's like a quick little boom. And then when you tap, so I only have 2 pages. Okay? And also another thing you can do, you can hold down there. I hold on the side, and then you press on the 3 dots. It shows you the home screens that you have. If I tap one of them, it's deselected. You press done. Now it's gone. You can't see it. But if you go back in, you can select it again and it's back. Ah, that's so fire. But so when you press done, once you go to your last page, you slide one more time and you have all of your apps. So if you don't even want all of your apps to be on your main screens, you don't need it. So you can go to app library, all of your apps are right there. So fire. So you just tap it and all of it, like, it's already, you know, separated for you. You can search for an app here by alphabet and stuff like that. And then you can also search for an app, obviously, by sliding down and then typing in whatever app or looking up whatever. So yeah, this is very fire. I love this new update. This update is like one of the most fire updates they have done. However, though, coming from an Android baby, because I started off with an Android back in the day with like a $50, $60 phone at the age of like 12. I don't even think it was my phone. I feel like somebody gave it to me because like it wasn't working no more. But it wasn't even connected. It was probably just connected to like the internet. I don't remember. But coming from that phone, we had widgets on Android before. Since I was like 12. Well, I don't know if I was 12, like 13, 14, around there. But we already had widgets on Android. So Apple, y'all be slow with it. Y'all be slow with it. Y'all need to catch up. But yeah, that's literally everything. I'm pretty sure that's all of it because I read an article about it to make sure I knew how to do everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Make sure you like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I upload a new little video, okay? And make sure to follow me on Instagram.